back to the new video, everyone. So this is day 21, and we're gonna be building Python snake game, and we're gonna resume what we have started. In our in our previous video, we created a snake and move the snake and control the snakes. These are the three things that we have done in our previous video. And today we're gonna let our snake to eat some food and grow, and when it's die, let him announce the score. So these are the four things that we are going to do in this game today. So if you are ready, let's get started. So first things first, I want my snake to eat some food. So to make that happen, I'm going to create a class called food. So I have used inheritance to make that happen. So I have imported the turtle and imported the random for generate a food in certain area. So in the between these coordinates minus 280 and 280 x and y. So huh, and I have given our food a shape called circle and color to the white. Where's the white? Sorry, color to the blue, and I have change its speed to the fastest so that I won't be able to view the animation because I doesn't need it, and I will change its size to the 6 zero point 0.5 and zero point 0.5, and I have refreshed. So initially when it's created, I mean when it's accessed, so what is even happening is when the game is started, our random food will be generated inside the snake game at a random position. So that is what is going to be happen when I created this foot object inside the snake.py. So not snake.py, main.py. Here what I have done is I've imported the food and call created the object. After that, what I have done is detected the collision with food. If snake dot head dot distance is, you know, here you can see that we are getting the food object. So how does it even happening? I have used its title documentation. I've used distance method from the turtle documentation. Let's check distance here. This is the method that I have used there to find the distance between the two. I mean, a pair of numbers. It can be pair of numbers or a turtle. So this method I've used to check the distance, and if that was, I mean, less than 25, what will happen? Food will be appear at a random position. So that's what is going to do our food class. So successfully food has been feeded to our snake. After that, I created a scoreboard. Here I want the scoreboard to show score or keep track of the food that snake has been eaten. So first things first, I created the scoreboard and inherited this class and accessed all the attributes and classes from that class, and after that created score, and you know all about this, right? I created update scoreboard. Here I've used the self dot write or title dot write method. Here it will allow the user to write his score, and after that alignment and font. I've used the font this one and alignment center, and it will show a dynamic score over there and increase score every time it hits the or collision with the food. What will happen is score will be increased and previous score will be cleared so that it won't be overwritten, and after that it update the scoreboard. So update the scoreboard with the new score. Update the scoreboard is this one, and game over. When when the game over or at a certain condition is met, I mean this game over is gonna be true. What will happen is game over is gonna be shown in the middle of the screen. Let's run and check how that is happening. Here you go, our snake has been moving and I've been eating, and score has been keep tracking, and our score is 2 now. Our food is blue color and its size is 0.5 0.5, and it's randomly appearing on the screen. Every time I eat, it is randomly generating in a particular position in within the screen, not out of reach. And you can see our snake is expanding every time it eats a new food. So when I die like this, what will happen? It will show game over and it will show score. So hope you understand. So in the scoreboard, what I'm going to do, I mean everything I've done right. So after that, I'm going to figure it out the collision with the walls. You can see the walls. You know what are walls, right? So to figure it out, to detect the collision, what I am going to do is whenever the snake had reached the uh, corner positions, what will happen is game will be stopped and game over will be shown on screen. So this is how I detected the collision with wall. After that, collision with tail. So in all segments, except the head, the distance between all segments with the distance or between head with another segment is less than 10, then what will happen is our game is going to become false, and after that game over will be announced, so we can exit the screen. So we have detected the segments, I mean you know collision with tail as well, and I wanted to how to expanding the segments, I mean how to add the segments to the snake is inside the snake.py. What I have created is expand and add segments. Here you can see that I have given a position, so this will be come from this one. So here new segment will be added. Here expand, here we'll get the position, I mean we will add the new segments in the position of the lost segment. So we've been using the position method which is comes from turtle. So hope you understand. So that's all about the snake game that I have created. Hope you understand. Let's run the game inside main.py. Oh my gosh. And run again. So when I hit the wall, here you can see every time I hit, it is expanding. Maybe I should change the coordinates because it is hitting the wall early, and it's a food is needs to change food to, I mean not out of control inside. To make that happen inside the food, I'm going to change it to 270, 270, 270, 270, so it will be always in reach. Save and run again. Oh my gosh, I'm done. I'm bad playing this game. uh, so that's it. That's the output that I have achieved in this, I mean today. So I'll see you all in the next video with ping pong game. Is that yes, ping pong game. So bye then.